vegetable impression. You will be amazed to see how the vegetable impression helps you to draw a garden scene. First, ask an adult to cut the potato in 2 halves. Draw the shape of flower on the cut side of the potato. Dip it into the color and give its impression on the paper as shown. Now, draw the shape of a leaf on another potato and give its impression on the paper using green color. In the same way, you can draw the butterflies and many more objects. As you are giving colorful impressions on the picture, a beautiful garden scene is appearing. Bookmarks. A bookmark is used to mark the page you are reading. Today, we will learn how to make a bookmark. First, take a thick sheet and draw the outline of a fish on it. When you are happy with the shape, cut it out. Then, use sketch pens to color the design. Draw a neat border with a black sketch pen. You can color the remaining parts of the bookmark as you like. In this way, you can draw various designs for your bookmarks. Sequence laces and matchstick pasting. In this activity, we will make a wool ball with the help of wool, sequence laces and matchsticks. First, apply glue on the outline of the wool ball. Paste sequence laces at the middle portion of your wool ball. Then paste wool on it like this. Now paste matchsticks on the knitting needles as shown. Your fluffy wool ball is ready.